With 40 years' experience in the tire business, the TVS Group has decided to expand its range to meet the demands of the most discerning international markets. This has resulted in the launch of the Eurogrip brand, which focuses on high-quality products developed through a rigorous research and development process. Eurogrip's range therefore includes road, off-road, sports, and urban commuting tires. We are testing the Trailhound STR, a tire designed for maxi-enduros for on-road use, as well as light off-road use on classic gravel roads. The Trailhound STR is a radial tire designed for maxi-enduros. Its technical features include a steel belt and a differentiated compound between the center and sides of the tire to ensure greater mileage and improved grip when cornering. The tread pattern has been developed to improve water drainage and thus enhance ride safety. The high silica content ensures excellent handling and grip, even in cold weather, and particularly cold temperatures. The Trailhound STR is available in 4 sizes. For the front, there is a 19-inch one, 20/70, and a 21-inch 90. At the rear, there is a 170/60 on a 17-inch rim and a 150/70 on an 18-inch rim. Having told you the story of Eurogrip and explained the technical features of the product, we will now test how the Trailhound STR performs on the road. The initial impression is excellent in terms of the feeling and sensation you get from the tires, which gives you confidence. They provide excellent grip and responsiveness, and it's almost as if they're not rolling on the asphalt. They show very good stability in bends, providing a smooth, linear curve, which gives the driver and passenger a lot of security and confidence. This improves ride comfort, of course, as well as the peace of mind of the driver and passenger. The Trailhound STR has excellent traction. The bike has no loss of grip when exiting corners, so there is no skidding, which positively affects riding pleasure. The Trailhound STR's handling is good even on uneven surfaces. Potholes and manhole covers are negotiated without too much trouble. The only anomaly concerns the longitudinal joints in the asphalt. If they are pronounced enough, the tire can shift the vehicle slightly towards the lower part of the road. Otherwise, they are very enjoyable tires. We also took the Trailhound STR off the asphalt and drove on dirt roads with grit, potholes, and stones. The tires showed no signs of failure. In fact, they performed excellently, maintaining traction and linear trajectory, thus instilling greater confidence and trust in the driver. We would also have liked to test the Trailhound STR mileage and behavior in the rain, but summer has arrived, which is great news as we prepare to experience yet another season of passion on 2 wheels.